Hello students, happy morning to all. Let's start the today's session. Chapter 1, Numbers Continuation, Exercise 1.4. In this exercise, what are the learning objectives we are going to see is estimation, estimated value, actual value and estimated value, then rounding off numbers with the nearest place values of hundreds, thousand, 10 lakh and crore, etc. Is it clear? See this picture, children. What do you mean by estimation? How to estimate the value? Let's see the definition. Estimation is a process of finding an estimate or approximation which is a value that is usable for some purpose even if input data may be incomplete, uncertain or unstable. Is a process of finding an estimate only. It's an approximate value. We used to say no, okay, approximately we can say like that. It is little bit more or less. We can say approximately. It is like guessing value. It is a rough value. We can say a many words also. Is it clear, children? So, estimation is a process of finding and estimate the thing. Okay? Though the input data may be incomplete or unstable or uncertain, we can use the value to be usable for some purpose. Is it clear? Then, what do you mean by estimated value? The word about denotes the number, not exactly, but a little more or less. This is called estimated value. See, the number, it denotes the number. It may not be exactly, but it may be a more or less. That thing is called as an estimated value. The other words used to estimate are nearly, approximately. Is it clear? We are going to see some real life situations where we use estimates are cost of TV, fridge, mixer, grinder, etc. is usually expressed in thousands of rupees. So what is the cost of TV? Approximately we can say, yeah, it may be around 15,000, or it may be, if it is LED TV, or it may be 20 to 25,000. It may be depends upon that brand or the features of the TV, we can say. So it may be approximately 20 to 25,000. It may 24,990 also. So this is the thing is called estimation. Okay. The central or state government's annual budget is usually given in lakh only. So they can estimate, oh, okay, this much thing we need. Like that they can estimate. When an exact answer is not necessary, estimation strategies can be used to determine a reasonably close answer. This line is very important, children. Again, I am reading the third point. When an exact answer is not necessary, estimation strategies can be used to determine a reasonably close answer. Reasonably close answer. We are going to find out only that close answer. Okay? For doing the problems, you can more clearly understand this. Okay? Now, what do you mean by rounding off? Rounding off is a method to find a number for estimation that is quite convenient. It gives us the closest suitable number according to a given place value. There are 4 steps involved in a rounding process. What are the 4 steps? First example, round off the number 8436 to the nearest hundreds place. It is an example given in the book itself. Okay. See the step 1. Find the digit in hundreds place. What is the number they have given? 8436. You can write the place value on the top of the number also. So what is a hundreds place value number? 4. So I have differentiate as a red color. Okay. Step 2. Look at the digit to its right. So what is the right hand side of this 4? 3. If this digit is 5. Children, this step 3 is very important. You have to understand clearly. Okay. If the digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to it. See, what is the right hand side of this 4? 3. See that 3 is greater than 5 or equal to 5? No, both the conditions are false. Then go with the second line. If it is less than 5, yes, 3 is less than 5, leave it unchanged. Leave it unchanged. What is the meaning of it? You should leave the hundreds place value as it is. You should not do anything there. If that right hand side value it is less than 5, you should not do anything in that hundreds place value. So what will be the answer now? See the step 4. Change the digits to the right of 4 to zeros. So 8, 4, the other 2-digit number to be zeros. Change the digits to the right of 4 to zeros. Is it clear this example, children? Again, I'm just explaining you. First, we are going to round off the number to the nearest hundreds place. So what is the step 1? Find the digit in hundreds place. So you have to write down the place value on the top of the number. Second step, look at the digit to its right. So here in the given number, the 3 is the number. If the digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to it. That condition is false here. So go with the second line. If it is less than 5, yes, 3 is less than 5, you should leave the digit unchanged. You should not do anything. Then you have to add zeros to the right hand side. Is it clear this problem? Just go through the problem, children. Shall we move on to next problem? See the example. Another example. Round off the number 78,794 to the nearest 1000 place value. Same steps only. Step 1. Find the digit in 1000 place. Here in the given number, 8 only is the thousands place value. Then look at the digit to its right. What is the right hand side of the 8? 7. So 7 is what? Greater than 5 or less than 5? It is greater than 5. So use the condition. If it is greater than 5, what you have to do? Add 1 to the respective place value, where you have to add plus 1. Here the 1000 place only, you have to add plus 1. See, in the third step, add 1 to 8 and change 8 to 9. If it is greater than 5 children, you have to add 1. Whatever the number it may be, you don't bother about it. You have to add plus 1 to the respective place value. So here 8 plus 1 you will get 9, and step 4, make the other digits in the right hand side to be zeros. So what will be the answer here? 79,000. Is it clear? Just go through this problem. Clear? It's another example, children. For your understanding purpose, I've written in the table as a place value format. Okay. Round off to the nearest hundreds. See the given question. 45,678. You want to do the round off in a hundreds place value. Step 1. Write the place value for a given number. So I've written here. So what is the number you want to do round off here? Hundreds. So what is the here? Hundreds place value? 6. So I just made a circle of 6. Is it clear? Then step 2. Compare the nearest value. If the value is less than 5, I told you, leaves unchanged. If it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, you have to add plus 1. In this example, it is the nearest value is 7. So it is greater than 5. You have to add plus 1 to the respective digit. So what will be the result? 45,700. Is it clear, children? See, in the right hand side of the 6 is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. I've added in the hundreds place value plus 1. So now 6 has changed into 7. The remaining 2 digits has changed as zeros. So what will be the result now? 45,700. Children, it's a very easy problem. Okay, you have to do 4 steps only. Step 1, you have to write down the place value of the digits. Second, you have to see the right hand side of the given place value. Check whether it is less than or greater than 5. If it is less than 5, leave the digit as it is. If it is greater than 5, add plus 1 to the respective place value. Step 4, make the other right hand side digits to be a 0. That's it. Very easy problem. Just go through it. Okay. Students, today's session is over. The remaining concepts we will see in the next session. Thank you, children.